Good morning all, welcome to another episode of Train Spotting, or Trains At. Today you join me here filming on the West Coast Main Line at Watford Junction. This is on the south of the West Coast Main Line, so it covers between as far as Milton Keynes and London Euston.
The next train at platform 7 does not stop here. Please hold on to pushchairs, wheelchairs and your belongings. Stand behind the yellow line.
So yes, this video will contain the train operating companies of Virgin Trains, London North Western Railway, London Overground, Southern and Freightliner. Please note there are also silent clips in this video, however there will be commentary, but not on a lot of them, because I tend to do less commentary now, because why not, it's better I think. So I'm going to stop the video because there's a class 390 Freightliner about to pass through. No, I might as well just film it because I think this train is coming from Liverpool Lime Street on the 0843 pass. It's slightly delayed, so just grab this and then we'll get the video cracked on with. Also apologies for the shaky camera work, as it is very cold today and it's starting to get to autumn time. Anyway, enough chit chat. Here we have a class 390 Freightliner going from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. Cumbrian Spirit 390-010 forming the Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston service. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. It is rather cold, so do watch out for shaky camera work, as some of it is not really my fault, it's also due to the weather. So yeah, let's get this video started, shall we? I'll see you in the next clip. And while you join me here at Watford Junction.
The next train to arrive at platform 8, 27 London North Western Railway, for the King's Landing, Stratford, Chiltern, and Spring. This train has 4 carriages. sorry that the 0821 Southern service to Bletchley is delayed by approximately 17 minutes. This is due to train crew being delayed. This is due to train crew being delayed.
The 0837 Virgin train service from London Euston to Birmingham New Street, forming 9G98,
and stations to Manchester Piccadilly.
And I think also arriving in is the 0841 service. Scratch what I just said because it's not here yet. This is the 0837 Virgin train service to Birmingham New Street from London Euston, calling at not Milton, but Coventry, Birmingham International, and Birmingham New Street. Arriving now is the 0841 London North Western Railway service to Milton Keynes Central from London Euston.
And Milton Keynes Central. This train has 4 carriages.
This is calling at Kings Langley, Apsley, Helmond Hempstead, Berkhamsted, Tring, Cheddington, Leighton Buzzard, Bletchley, and Milton Keynes Central.
And stations to Manchester Piccadilly.
350-101.
Is the mic working? Oh, it is! Hi everyone! How are you doing today? Very well. A little small talk can be all it takes to save a life. So if you think someone might need help, start a conversation or find a member of staff
Search Samaritans, small talk saves lives.
Right now it's the 0841 London Overground service to West Hampstead, no, South Hampstead.
Please do not board this train.
And approaching now is the service from South Hampstead to Terminal here. And I think over here is a Pendolino forming the 0842. Not to be boarded Virgin train service to London Euston. This is a step down only train. (39045) Virgin Pride. And prepared to fly now is the 0842 Virgin train step down only service to London Euston. So 9 coach class 390 Pendolino. And there goes the class 390 Pendolino going from London Euston to Glasgow Central, 1 Sierra 45. Literally supporting the gay pride celebration. I can't remember which month it was, but there is hashtag Pride. Next stop for that is London Euston. Okay, and passing through there was the 0848 pass from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston, forming under the head code of 1 Alpha 08. It's come a minute late, so not too great. That all rhymed, I don't know how. Now it is the 0848 London North Western service to London Euston. Next stop being Bushey. And the flight now is the 0852 Southern service to from Milton Keynes Central to Clapham Junction. The train just behind me is the 0855 London North Western service to Tring. 35234. Hang on, I couldn't get the road. That is 377209 on the rear. With 377202, I believe it was on the front. And passing through now is a Pendolino. Sorry, it was brilliant two-tone now. Three-tone should I make that? Arriving now is the 0859 London North Western service to London Euston. Calling out London Euston only, forming of 2 class 350s.
Please speak to station staff or visit nationalrail.co.uk.
On the front is 350-107. And we'll get the row in a minute. And trundling through there was 39122. Penny the Pendolino that was. And about to depart now is going to be 350-107, forming the 0859 London
Please
North
stand
Western
back
Railway
from the
service to
platform
London
edge.
Euston.
The next train at platform 7 does not stop here. Please hold on to
Should I say that? We have a
pushchairs,
passenger service on
wheelchairs, and your
platform...
belongings. Stand behind the yellow
Yes,
line.
platform 6. Platform 50. Working service from London Euston to Crewe. And the next train to arrive in is going to be the 0903 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street, calling at calling at Bletchley, Milton Keynes Central, Northampton, Rugby, Coventry. No, I've missed out Long Bugby actually. Long Bugby, Rugby, Coventry, Camden Tower Hill, Berkswell, Birmingham International, Marston Green, Lee Hall, Stratford and Birmingham New Street. And arriving now is the 09, never mind actually, approaching now is the terminating service from London Euston. It's got 378213 with a poppy on the side, celebrating Remembrance Day. About to depart now is going to be 35237 and 35102, forming the 0903 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street. Next stop for that is going to be Bletchley.
The yellow
And
line.
pass for now is the 0906 pass from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston.
The next train to arrive at platform 8 will be the 09.
39115 with a big press in the back of it. And approaching now is the 0906 pass from London Euston to Blackpool North. And arriving now is the 0911 London North Western service to Northampton, forming of 35266.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police.
Holding its old London Midland livery.
016. Wheel sorted.
Daylight starting to come back. Find out where it's stopping in just a second. Approaching now, or passing now, is going to be a London North Western service from Birmingham New Street to London
Please
Euston.
stand back from the platform edge. The next train at platform 7 does not stop here. Please hold on.
35115 with a new livery 35375. Pass for now is Pendolino. I didn't get the destination. However, now is the 0917 London North Western Railway service to London Euston, calling out Bushy, Harrow and Wealdstone and London Euston, following over the return of 35262. And departing now is the 0917 London North Western Railway service to London Euston. Next stop being Bushy. 390,042. And passing through now is a Virgin train service to Birmingham New
Please
Street.
stand back from the platform edge. The next train at platform 7 does not stop here. Please hold on.
151, here comes a service from Birmingham New Street.
Will be the 0921 Southern service to
Chiltern. 390,050.
And
Pass through there is 24118. I presume that's going to Chester from
Hampstead, Berkhamsted and Tring. This train has 4 Stand behind the yellow line.
927 London North Western service to London Euston.
This is a platform alteration.
35375.
0934 London North West Way. Service
Fine, now
to
is the
Tring.
0927 London North Western
King's
Railway
Landing,
service to London
Apsley,
Euston.
Hemel Hempstead, Berkhamsted and Tring. This train has 4 carriages.
There's 50242. I'm more interested in 215373 because I have the poppy on it. And around now is your 0934 London North Western service to London Euston only. .35258. And catch the rail departure. Pass through there is a 39 Pendolino. Pass through now is another 39 Pendolino. And the flight now is the 0934 London North Western service to London Euston only. Trains 353 Arriving now is the 0937 Virgin Trains Pendolino service to Birmingham New Street. Virgin Pride. Hashtag Pride. Nameplate of this is Virgin Pride.
This is a security message. If you see something...
For now is a Super Forager. Bound for Chester. Class for now is a Pendolino.
Wheelchairs and your belongings. Stand
Warning to
behind
turn
the
now.
yellow line.
39036. And passenger now, we have some freight for DB Schenker.
Platform 8 does not stop here. Please hold on to pushchairs, wheelchairs and your belongings. Stand behind the yellow line.
There was 39121. By now it's 35374 on the 1131 service to London Euston. Well, now it's departing, should I say. Off he goes. And on the rear is 35123. And arriving now is the 1137 Virgin train service to Shrewsbury, forming of 221101 and 221115.
Virgin train service to Shrewsbury, Coventry, Birmingham Milton Keynes Central.
On the
This
1137
train has
Virgin
4
train service
carriages.
to Shrewsbury,
Change
D125
train not for
on
public use.
the
Please do
1141
not board this train.
London North Western Railway service to Tring, to Milton Keynes Central, should I say. There's 346. Hempstead, Berkhamsted, Tring, Teddington, Buzzford actually, and Milton Keynes Central. And passenger now is Pendolino from Euston to Manchester. I didn't get the number of that, unfortunately. And departing now is 35244 and 35369 on the 1156. Great Western Railway. Good luck with that. London North Western Railway service to Tring. Coming up, Kings Langley, Apsley, Hemel Hempstead, Berkhamsted and Tring. And departing now is the 1159 London North Western Railway service to London Euston. 35122. with 35247 on the road. The pass through there is 39115 bound for London Euston from Liverpool Lime Street. And arriving now is the 1203 Great London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street via Northampton, calling at Milton Keynes Central, Northampton, North Rugby, Rugby, Coventry, Canley, Tower Hill, Berkswell, Hampton, Hampton Road. The Tower Hill, Berkswell, Hampton Road. I think it's that anyway. Birmingham International, Master Green, Stratford and New Street. From the 373 and 375. I must have read that as a number wrong then, because the other one had the poppy on it. And right now it's 1 Whiskey 11, the 1203 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street. Next stop is Milton Keynes Central, followed by Northampton, Long Buckley, Rugby, Coventry, Canley, Tower Hill, Berkswell, Birmingham International, Marston Green, Freehall, Stratford and Birmingham New Street.
Northwestern Railway
very slowly is going to be 1 Uniform 33. The 12 is the delayed 11:59 pass from
Milton Keynes Central, Wolverton and Northampton. This train has 4 carriages. Change at Bletchley for services to Bedford.
It's going quite slow after the 2 350s to 5 with the 12:03 service. So this is the follow-on. Now
the next train at platform 7 does not stop here. Please hold on to pushchairs, wheelchairs and your belongings. Stand behind the yellow line.
Hang on, 39148 I think it was, and something's stinking, or stinky. Anyway, there it is, 35120, forming 2 November 47,
We are sorry that the 1221 Southern service to Bletchley.
2 November 47, the 1211 London North Western Railway service to Northampton. Next
May I
stop.
have your attention please on platform 8. We are sorry to announce that the 1221 Southern service to Milton Keynes Central has been cancelled.
This is due to... is 1 Hotel 23 from London Euston to Birmingham New Street. Time of passing is 12:12.
7 does not stop here. Please hold on to pushchairs, wheelchairs and your belongings. Stand behind the yellow line.
Lovely Frito now. From Birmingham to London Euston. And passing now is 1919 from London Euston to Birmingham New Street at 12:16.
May I have your attention please on platform 8. We are sorry to announce that
391 103, we all remember them. And the
passengers
pattern now
for
is
Hemel
2 Tango 20,
May I have your attention, please, on
1216
platform
London
8.
North Western Railway service
We are
to
sorry to
London
announce
Euston.
that the 12:21 Southern service to Milton Keynes Central has been cancelled. This is due to train crew being delayed. Passengers for Hemel Hempstead, Berkhamsted and Tring, your next fastest direct service is now expected to be 12:20 from platform 8. And
35116 and 35246.
your next fastest direct service.
And class stream now is 9 Mike 50 from Edinburgh to London Euston.
Your next service to Milton Keynes will be the 12:41 on platform number 8. Many customers going to
22113 and 221. I didn't really get the number of that one actually. And final train in this video will be a class 350 from London Euston to Crewe. No, 5116 from a service to Tring. Going in now is 378208. And as that pulls in and this departs, I will leave the video from Watford Junction here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video from Watford Junction today. My next upload, I'm not too sure yet, but I'll let you know in the description. No one was joining me here today in this video today, but altogether you've seen Virgin Trains, London North Western Railway, Southern, London Overground, Freightliner and Chiltern Railways, also DP Schenker. So, as this wraps up this episode of Trains At, I will see you in the next episode of Trains At. See you later, guys.